Hey, fancy meeting all you guys here. It's been a while. We're very excited to show you the new Stihl GTA26 battery powered garden pruner. We're going to do the official unboxing here, and Beck's going to show you right now, hi everybody, what it comes with. So let's go. Battery powered, handheld, portable I should say, and powerful. So here we are. Very handy storage compartment to transport it around. There it is, look at that bad boy. Owner's manual, battery charging cable, biodegradable chain and bar oil comes with that. All in a very handy little storage package. Oil's available for separate purchase, as a spare battery, spare chains. There's a lithium ion battery, so here we go. So we'll show you some of the features on it. Number one is a protective hood for increased safety. It pops up and down as you can see. Number two is a wing nut on the side. It's for tool-free adjustment and to take your chain and bar off quickly and easily without having to worry about taking a tool with you. Number three is a second grip point. It needs to be used with two hands. So you've got two hands, one on top, one on the bottom, or with the comfortable non-slip control handle, as you can see on the back there. So that is all non-slip. It's a 10.8 volt battery, lithium ion battery. It's rechargeable, as you saw, and it just pops in and positively locks. On the side there on Becky's hand you can see the little lever there to turn it on and off, and you've also got the battery status indicator, so you can quickly see the touch of a button how much charge you have left. It runs a 10 centimeter guide bar with 1/4 inch pico micro chain. Runs up to approximately 25 minutes, depends what you're doing and the revs you're running it at. And so to give you an idea, it'll cut about 84 centimeter diameter branches. So we'll put the gloves on now. You've got to wear safety gloves and safety glasses, and we'll show you this bad boy working. So here we go. So there you go, and the good news is it's only $2.49. How's that? So for more details, come and see us at VC Traders. Check out the website vctraders.com.au. Jump on there, you can click and collect online, but come and see us. We've got some stock now, they're flying out the door, so come on down and have a look. Thanks for watching, bye bye.